everybody, welcome to my cooking channel. So now I'm going to cook Paku masak Belacan. So first of all, I'm going to stir fry the garlic, anchovies, belacan and chili. This one is sayur paku. I just cook a bit only first. Ready. Now. Paku masak belacan is ready. Now I'm going to cook sausage with egg in sauce. So first of all, fry the sausage first. Cook the sausage with tepung bestari. To fry the egg. Some big onion.
Big iron. Big iron.
Onion.
Onion. Onion. Onion. Onion. Pakai rumah.
Onion.
Oh, onion.
Chili sauce. Sauce. In the sausage. Cukup rasa. Very naughty, yeah.
Bad insect. That's the one only.
Taste it first. Enough already. Okay, cook it. sauce.
There you are.
Just a light sauce. So this one is our simple menu. This one is sausage with egg cooked in sauce. Just a light sauce. This one is the spicy version of paku goreng belacan or masak belacan. And then this one is for Bryson, masak belacan garlic also.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessicajvst. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessicajvst to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.